Welcome. In this video, we will dive headfirst into the fascinating world of input devices, which are a key component that enables smarter, automated solutions right where data is created. Let's explore what these different devices are and how they can be used to build applications that can help improve our daily life. Let's start with a simple definition so that we are all on the same page. Input devices are hardware that help gather information from the environment. This information is then processed locally by edge devices to generate insights on which actions can be performed. Pretty straightforward, right? With that out of the way, let's look at some common input devices used in edge AI. Sensors collect data from their environment. This could be temperature, motion, or even humidity. And we just saw a device that has some of these sensors built in. Well, you could add a few more sensors like the particle sensor, which in short generates the AQI reading that you see in your weather apps, and gas sensors for a few different gases like sulfur dioxide or nitrous oxide, and create your own weather station. You could collect data from 10 to 20 such stations every minute or so and build your own weather app. Or you could sell the data to news channels. Because we are interested in edge applications, you could use the data to turn on your fans, your air conditioners, your air purifiers, and open or close doors and windows. Or if you really wanted to go big, you could use the data to build a model to predict energy demand and then use those insights to trade in the energy markets. The possibilities are really endless and only limited by your imagination. Let's look at OBD2 readers now. OBD2 readers are used in vehicles to access the diagnostic system. They tell you what's wrong with your car, and this may be your headlamps or indicator lights, brakes, or airbags. They can also monitor engine health and predict failures. With self-driving cars a few years away at the maximum, starting a company that provides real-time preventive maintenance updates to individual car owners and taxi companies to reduce downtime and improve efficiency could be super rewarding. Next are RFID readers. These devices use radio waves to read and capture information stored on an RFID tag attached to an object. In retail, RFID tags can help manage inventory more effectively by tracking products throughout the store. They can also be used in the transportation and urban planning space to automatically pay parking and highway toll fees. Moving on to barcode scanners. These are optical scanners that can read printed barcodes and convert them into digital data. This device is super popular in the supply chain management space. For example, in a warehouse, employees can use barcode scanners to track shipments and automate parts of the inventory management, reducing errors and speeding up operations. Next, let's come to buttons and switches. Simple yet effective, these can be used to start or stop a device. Buttons help you switch on and off your everyday home appliances, and switches help you switch on and off your lights. In industrial settings, a switch can also be programmed to initiate or end a machine's operational cycle without needing human intervention. Finally, let's take a look at joysticks and keyboards. While typically associated with gaming, in Edge AI, joysticks can control robotic arms to perform tasks like picking up and emptying trash cans into a waste disposal truck. Similarly, in manufacturing, keyboards can input commands quickly at local terminals, thus enhancing productivity in manufacturing processes. In conclusion, input devices are crucial for collecting the data that makes Edge AI work. By combining these different devices with edge computing, we can streamline complex processes, reduce manual labor, and enhance decision-making. Whether it's your car, your house, your workplace, or public infrastructure, these input devices can support edge devices in reshaping how we interact with technology and ultimately make our lives easier. And that is it for input devices. Hope you had fun. In the next video, we will explore the different types of output devices in Edge AI. See you there.